Okay, for the property number 3, we're going to talk about the consecutive angles are supplementary. Here's the given. Angle A is equal to 3x plus 10. So this is the angle A. Angle B is going to be 2x plus 5. Okay? So the thing that we need to find here is the x, angle A, and angle B. So, we all know, when we say consecutive, yan po ay magkasunod. Pag sinabi namang supplementary, dapat equal sila sa 180. In our parallelogram here, ang magkasunod na angle, it can be AD or AB. Since ang given lang naman ay A at saka B, magkasunod sila, therefore, that would lead us to the equal to 180 degrees. Angle A is 3x plus 10 from the given. Angle B is 2x plus 5. And that is equal to 180. Combining like terms, ang gagawin ko muna, pagtatabihin ko muna yung mga may letters at yung mga wala. So we have 3x plus 2x, 10 plus 5. That is equal to the same number, that is 180 degrees. Now, simplifying them, 3x plus 2x will give us 5x. 10 plus 5, that is going to be 15. And that is equal to 180. Now, let us subtract 15 both sides or transpose 15 to the right hand side of our equation. It will become 5x equals 180 minus 15. Simplifying them will give us 165. Dividing both sides by 5, that will leave us to x equals 165 divided by 5. And finally, when we divide it, x would be equal to 33. 165 divided by 5, that is equal to 33. And that is the value for x. And that is very significant para mahanap natin yung angle A. Angle A is 3x plus 10. What we're going to do is to change the value of x sa 33. At mag-add tayo ng 10. So we have 3 times 33, that is going to be 99. Plus 10, 109. Yan ang ating angle A. Now, let's proceed to the angle B. Angle B is equal to 2x plus 5. Palitan natin yung x ng 33, mag-add tayo ng 5, tapos yung 2 times 33, that is 66, nag-add ka pa ng 5, that is equal to 71. And the angle B is equal to 71. Okay? So, yun yung final answers natin. Yung 109, that is angle A. 71, that is angle B. You can try that. So, we can add 109 plus 71. Palaging equal yan sa 180 degrees. Papansinin mo yun palagi kapag consecutive, magkatabi na angles, palaging equal sa 180 degrees. Kahit saan mo siya ilagay.